Describe Bitcoin. By acting as money and a means of payment independent of any one person, group, or entity, a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin eliminates the need for third parties to get involved in financial transactions. It is available for purchase on numerous platforms and is given to blockchain miners as compensation for their efforts in verifying transactions. By utilizing the alias Satoshi Nakamoto, an unidentified developer or group of developers presented Bitcoin to the general public in 2009. There is no investment advice provided in any of the videos on this channel, they are only there for educational purposes. Claudio does not make recommendations on crypto knowledge, those looking for advice on investment should consult a qualified professional. Investors' choices are their own, and Claudio is not responsible for them, traders shouldn't rely on his advice. Additionally, I would be grateful if you liked the video and subscribed for more correspondence like this. Since then, it has grown to be the most well-known cryptocurrency worldwide. Numerous additional cryptocurrencies have been developed as a result of its popularity. These rivals either want to displace it as a means of payment or are employed in other blockchains and cutting-edge financial technology as utility or security tokens. Learn more about the original cryptocurrency, including its origin narrative, workings, where to find it, and applications. Key lessons. According to market capitalization, Bitcoin, which debuted in 2009, is the biggest cryptocurrency in the world. Bitcoin, unlike traditional money, is produced, circulated, traded, and stored using a blockchain, a decentralized ledger system. The history of Bitcoin as a store of value has been tumultuous. During the course of its relatively brief existence, it has experienced numerous boom and bust cycles. Understanding Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first virtual currency to experience widespread acceptance and success, and it served as a model for many subsequent cryptocurrencies. The domain name Bitcoin.org was registered in August 2008. 1. At least as of right now, this domain is protected by WhoisGuard, which means that the identity of the person who registered it is not public knowledge. In October 2008, a person or group going by the name Satoshi Nakamoto announced to the cryptography mailing list at Metsdoud.com, "I've been working on a new electronic cash system that's fully peer-to-peer, with no trusted third party." 2. Block 0, the very first Bitcoin block, was mined on January 3, 2009. The text The Times January 3, 2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks can serve as both evidence that the block was mined on or after that date and as pertinent political commentary. This block is also referred to as the Genesis block, and Bitcoin rewards are halved every 210,000 blocks. For instance, in 2009, the block reward was 50 brand new Bitcoins. The third halving took place on May 11, 2020. Reducing the reward for finding a block to 6.25 Bitcoins. 4. The smallest unit of a Bitcoin, which is divisible to 8 decimal places, 100 millionths of a Bitcoin, is known as a Satoshi. 5. Bitcoin could someday be divided to even more decimal places if necessary and if the active miners agree to the change. The concept of Bitcoin as money isn't too difficult to grasp. For instance, if you have a Bitcoin, you can send smaller amounts of that Bitcoin to pay for goods or services using your cryptocurrency wallet. However, when you attempt to grasp how it operates, it gets really difficult.